Good evening, everybody. We made it to camp. It's 10 o'clock at night. We decided to come to Wales. Go to Wales, they said. You'll have fun in Wales, they said. Yeah, like how? But he's pissing it down with rain, misty, windy, and of course, I brought the tarp with me, the small, almost the smallest tarp that I could find. So we've got the poncho here, and with the poncho, we've brought the event bivy again. We thought we'd give it a crack, really, before winter sets in. It's really not very nice. We got here about, well, we parked the car at 6, but we didn't get into camp until about 9, and it was only about a 3-kilometer walk. But trying to find the tarn that I was looking for wasn't the easiest of all these stupid rock formations that you got to sort of walk around, and when you haven't, like, when you're not really probably concentrating properly, or yeah, anyway, we got to the tarn. Camp by the tarn, they said. You can't, there's nothing there. There's absolutely no room in the inn by the tarn. So we wandered and we wandered for about half an hour, 45 minutes in the general vicinity, just looking for somewhere that was flat enough that I could basically just put the bivvy down on. And, you know, eventually we found this spot here by these trees over there. You can probably see the mist and the weather, but we're quite cozy here. I mean, I was soaked to the skin when I got into camp as usual, but you know, as always, I have a very, thankfully, reliable nighttime system. So I changed in camp, well, under shelter just about. It was pretty much dark as I was changing. Anyway, we finally got changed, and I think what I need to do now, of course we've got Lassie there with us. There's some space where she could go over there. She could probably make a nest in there somewhere. She'll find somewhere. She's kind of sort of settled down there for now, but she'll find somewhere. Anyway, we really have literally, you know, just, you know, properly, this is like the first time, and it's gone 10 o'clock when I can kind of say I can relax now. And I think I'll put the kettle on and make a cup of tea and have some soup. I think definitely a late one today. I'm glad that I gave myself, you know, stacks and stacks of time. It was almost getting to the point where I was just going to have to, you know, pitch anywhere if I hadn't found this spot. Anyway, eventually we found here. You might just get you know, you might just get a tent in here, a small tent in here, but it sure as heck wouldn't be easy. Obviously the trail style would probably go around all this stuff, but this really is perfect tarp camping territory, you know, around here. You know, we really don't have very much space in here. I hope the forecast improves tomorrow. I hope it's nicer than this, and then we might better sit outside and there's a little bit more room for doing stuff sort of kind of there. We're gonna have to play this one by ear, I think. Anyway, I think I'm going to settle back, put the kettle on, and have a drink of some description. I'll catch you all tomorrow morning or lunchtime or something. See you soon. Bye bye.